go to the former living. I think I need to open the flowers more.
Ooh, get my lips. Get my lips. Ooh.
Hi guys, what's poppin'? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will be doing a vlog. I am on my way to Home Goods and Hobby Lobby. I might as well pass at Burlington because I love Burlington. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with Burlington. So they have really good quality stuff. Like sometimes you find brands like Kevin Klein and all this, you know, middle class brands. I mean, not Chanel or Louis Vuitton. You find really good quality stuff at affordable prices, and the prices are always reduced from the retail price. So now I'm making my way there. I need to buy stuff for the home, like decor stuff. Like I need flowers for my vases. Like one of those is that one there. I need to buy flower or plant. Depends what I find in Hobby Lobby. So let me give you guys a quick update. So far, I've got the house 1 quarter furnished and 3 quarters to go. Yeah! Oh yeah, so by the end of this month, January, which ends in a week time, I'll be expecting the family room or the main living room, the sofa, which is a sectional. I'll be expecting the sofa upstairs for the game room, and I'll be expecting some few decoration stuff. And yeah, so I already got the breakfast nook fully furnished. I got the bar stools for the island. I got the chandelier lights. I've changed almost all of them. It's just left 2 more. So one for hubby's office, and then the staircase chandelier light. I'm gonna change that one as well, which will all happen by the end of this month, January. I don't want to show you guys yet, but I will be showing you guys like in about 2-3 weeks time when the house is 50% furnished, and then when the house is fully furnished, which will be sometime end of February, I will give you guys a proper house tour with everything furnished. Like so far I'm so happy like with everything I have chosen and everything I've received so far. It's amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see. It's so beautiful. Like guys, I think I should actually consider being an interior designer. Like, oh my god, I am doing an amazing job over here. I know you guys are so excited to see it, but please just be patient. I promise I'll give you guys a tour in about 2 to 3 weeks time, which the house will be half furnished or 50% furnished. I need to also buy flowers or pamper grass for these 2 babies here. I also have one more that I need to buy plants or flowers for. Ta-da, this beauty. I need to buy a plant or some flowers that will fit in here, and I've taken the measurements, so off we go. Hobby Lobby first, probably Home Goods next, and then Burlington last. Let's go. So guys, I just arrived Hobby Lobby. As you can see, that's it behind me. Yeah, so it's a bit rainy out there, and I'm still trying to figure out how the hell I'm gonna go out. Yeah, so but at the end of the day I have to go out, so let's go. This white planter just stood out for me, and it was so beautiful. So but I had to make sure the plant fits in it, and which it just fits so perfectly, so I bought it. I also bought this gray planter, and it was kind of unique, so I just decided to take it. Guys, I couldn't buy everything because it wouldn't fit in the car, so I just put the chairs for the back seat. The chairs, I just put them down so they can fit in. I'm gonna go in and get more stuff. Yeah, I'm so happy. All right, guys, I'm done with the shopping. Ooh, that's everything. I'm headed home now to start the decoration. I can't wait. So guys, I am back from the shopping. So let me bring all the stuff I bought and show you guys. So I got this bunch of dry flowers and pampas glass. So some of the dry flowers will go in that vase, and then some of them will go to the other vases. Okay, let me and I bought some plants as well. Okay, I bought this plant. I got this plant, dry flower. I have two of these. I'm trying to see how this will look. Let's see. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think it looks nice. Yeah, I don't want to put too much. I just think these two will be fine. Or should I put two of this instead? Or should I put two of these ones? Comment below, guys. The first vases I'm gonna be doing are these two. So I'm gonna stuff in some pampas glass in this too. I got a whole lot of it. So I wasn't sure how many will be enough, but let me try this. Let me stick it to it first. Oops. Let's do it first. Perfect. Do one more. Let's try one more. Alright, this one. Let's try 4. Perfect. So how many do I have in here? I have 3 here, 4 here. Alright, let me put one more in this one. So I got this. What do you guys think? Yeah. These two will go to the former living, and yeah, so I'm waiting for the former living sofas or sectional. I'm waiting for the former living sectional to come yet. It's gonna come sometime mid-February, and then I can show you guys where I'm gonna place this. But what do you think? So is it nice? Do you like it? So this is it. This is how big and how tall the vases are. Alright, one is taller than the other, if you can tell. This one is a bit shorter. This is longer than this. So I'm gonna put it together. You see, one is longer. So far I love it. So guys, the next thing on my list is gonna be that vase there. So I got this dry foam. I'm gonna stuff it in so the flowers can fit in. Let me bring it. Alright, so here we go. Let me go to the back so you guys can see it. Wow, I love it. All right, guys, this vase is done. So I'm gonna put it back at that end, and then above the vase, I'm gonna put like a wall mirror kind of. I'll show you guys. This is the mirror I was talking about, guys. The wall mirror. I'm gonna put it above this vase with flowers. Love it. This vase. So I have these beautiful white and silver mixed flowers. Here we go, guys. Here we go. 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 Yeah, I love it. Guys, just ignore the price tag, guys. I'm gonna take it off. But what do you think? I mean, isn't this beautiful? I'm gonna still add some decorative books on here, like 2 of those, and then that's it. Call it a day. I don't want to put too much stuff. But so far, I love it. I love it. This vase is giving. And those flowers, gosh. And the painting, oh, I love this abstract. So I think this one should go in the golden vase. What do you guys think? I think that I'm gonna put, it's quite heavy, guys. Whew. I think I'm gonna put this in the formal dining. Yes, I'm gonna put it in the formal dining next to the wall. Yeah. This one is gonna go to the formal living next to the wall. Like there's a small area that I have built up, or that I have already decorated with a concert table and some decor, tabletop decor. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a bit. Yeah. So far so good. Everything is okay. Yeah. So guys, don't forget to comment and let me know of what you think. I mean, this is my personal preference. Like, you don't have to agree with me. At the end of the day, this is my home, and I do what I love or what I think is beautiful. So we can, share opinions, but you have to be very respectful, guys, because this is my home, not yours. So you can't push your opinion on me. No. I mean, I would love to have some ideas from you guys. I'm very open-minded, but please do not push your opinion down my throat, please. This is my home at the end of the day. So, okay. All right, guys, so I am about to reveal to you guys where I'm gonna be putting the plants and how it looks. Let's go. This is it, guys. This is it. Oh gosh, I love it. This board vases, one will go to the side of the former living. I'll put it somewhere here at the end, and I'll have the sectional here, and then the other one will go on that end of the wall as well. I'll have the sectional here. So the sectional is gonna be a cream white slash beige, so cream white, or some people call it beige, sectional sofa. And yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. So these two will be at the end of this wall, and in between I'll have the sectional yeah, so the former living sectional. So I am just thinking kind of in my head, but when the sectional comes here, I will weigh on that and see how it looks in this area. If not, I will figure something out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I'm going to be having more upcoming videos in terms of decor and in terms of the progress of the home, the furnishing and everything. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. Bye. I love you guys.